Little unboxing. Uh-oh, boss is home. Ooh, tamed. Filming and working is really difficult. Okay, let's look for the missing 17.
Oh, over here.
Are we actually that lucky?
I don't know. Superior chassis.
What do you think I do?
Did I tell you this is a superior chassis?
You look good in the RX8. It just gets worse the longer you go.
Do we need seatbelt?
All right, we're here at the lounge. Well, one of the lounges. And we're doing something special today because there's gonna be some parts donations, basically, for the club car. So I'll show you what we're working with here. So there's Greg. Yeah, ready to do damage. So we've got my RX8 here. Nothing special, just a little Series 1 RX8 here. But what we're gonna do is we're going to pull the coilovers, if you can see them in there. We're gonna pull these tame coilovers out, and then we're going to be replacing them with these ones. Little BC Racing, oops, little unboxing. Got a few BC coilovers. Alright. So you say like, well, you know, what's the big deal? They're just BC coilovers. Yes, they are. But what are we gonna do with the coilovers that are currently in this car, Greg?
These are going to be donated to our club car that we're currently working on.
Yes, yes. So the club car has got coilovers now. We got parts donated to the car. So, and if you don't want to donate parts to the cause, please feel free to hit us up, drop us a message, because, man, we sure need the help. Uh-oh, boss is home. Everybody look busy.
Oh, shoot. We gotta go.
Ooh, tamed, fancy. Filming and working is really difficult. Props to the guys that could do it, actually.
Disappeared.
Did you get it already, or?
Yeah, brought them out. Maybe I put them back? No, they've got to be out here somewhere.
Okay, let's look for the missing 17.
Oh, over here. On the future workbench.
One day.
Oh, yeah. Hopefully we could do it without taking the control arm off.
Are we actually that lucky?
I don't know. Not likely,
but that's why I like filming this stuff now, because people will actually believe us, maybe, how bad of a luck, at least I have, with you. So.
Yeah, there's definitely a curse.
Yeah. One day we'll compile a video of my FD, of the pain and suffering.
Strut bars ready. You got it?
Yep. Where will I not lose this? Look at that, new coilover in, without any pain.
Nice.
Didn't have to take the control. Well, we took 2 bolts off the control arm, but what did you say? Superior chassis?
Superior chassis.
Yeah, I ain't mad at that. It only took a little bit longer because I did it instead of you, so. Rookie.
There it is. Ready to come out. You got it, Leo?
Yeah.
All right.
So easy, even Leo can get this thing done.
Ready to come out.
Dang.
It's probably a pry bar or something to hammer it out.
Yuri's here.
What do
you think I do?
Hey, Daddy, why did you do that? And I got a screwdriver here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What kind is it? That's a Phillips.
All right. Pull those suckers out. Yeah. And but we recycle here, so
Yes,
that's club car, my car. Doesn't make sense, but we're gonna do it anyway. Yeah.
Here's how a superior chassis goes together.
Superior chassis.
Easy as 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. I expect all the flaming in the comments to happen now. Need more low. Not too low though. Yeah.
Did I tell you this is a superior chassis?
Nice and lowered. BC coilovers. Nice and low. You look good in our RX8.
Huh?
I like how it feels.
It's not gonna get any better. Ooh, the body kit's gripped. Holy! Look at all this damage! I do it. I've never done that ever.
Stop it. Get some help.
It just gets worse the longer you go. Left marks on your driveway? That's a good sign. So far so good. Well, it's a little firmer than the Tains.
Yeah. It feels good.
It's actually pretty smooth.
It is. Yeah, I like it.
I'm not too upset with this. This is pretty good. Oh, rubbing.
That's what she said.
Oh yeah.
Do we need seatbelt?
We don't need a seatbelt. Ride's really good.
It does, huh?
Yeah.
It feels smooth.
These feel really good. Section I feel better than my car. Man, whoever installed this did a great job.
I'm sure they did. Or he. Or they, them.
We.